Google just dropped a bombshell. Gemini 3.5 Flash is here, and it's not just an upgrade. It's 4 times faster than anything we've seen before. This changes everything about how we build AI. Imagine processing data at lightning speed. Developers are no longer shackled to tedious waits. They can iterate, experiment, and innovate without the bottleneck. Think about it. What once took hours can now take minutes. This is the kind of leap that reshapes industries. But that's not all. Google's introducing Gemini Omni, a world model that can generate video outputs. Yes, video. It's not just text or images anymore. The implications? You can create rich, interactive content that engages users like never before. And here's the kicker, with speed comes an explosion of possibilities. Need to prototype a marketing campaign? You could whip up engaging video content on the fly. Want to build immersive education tools? Gemini Omni opens the floodgates. Developers, this is your moment. The tools at your fingertips are about to redefine how you approach AI projects. Imagine the creativity unleashed when you can work faster and explore more. But here's the part nobody saw coming. As these models evolve, will they create a new divide between those who can keep up and those who can't? The clock is ticking. Are you ready to step into this new era? Gemini 3.5 Flash? It's not just an update. It's a seismic shift. 4 times faster than anything Google's rolled out before. Think about that. Imagine reducing your development time from weeks to days or even hours. This model doesn't just keep pace, it races ahead. Here's the deal. Gemini 3.5 Flash is designed for speed and efficiency, making it a game changer for developers. Traditional models are like cruising in a sedan. Gemini 3.5 Flash? It's a turbocharged sports car. The benchmarks are staggering. In tests, it achieved results in mere seconds that once took minutes. What does that mean for you? It means you can iterate faster, experiment more boldly, and bring your ideas to life like never before. But speed isn't everything. The architecture behind this model is optimized for multimodal tasks. It's not just about text. It's about images, sound, even video, all seamlessly integrated. Need to whip up an interactive demo or a compelling video? Gemini 3.5 Flash is your secret weapon. And it doesn't stop there. Google's also fine-tuned its responsiveness. It adapts to your needs, learning along the way, which means the more you use it, the more powerful it gets. This is more than an AI tool. It's a partner in creation. But let's be real. With this kind of power, the stakes are higher. How are you going to leverage it? Will you let your competition sprint ahead while you're still catching your breath? The time to act is now. This isn't just about convenience, it's about survival. Enter Gemini Omni. This isn't just another AI model, it's a world model. You heard that right, a model that can generate video outputs. Imagine the implications. We're talking about video content generation, simulations, immersive experiences. The possibilities? Endless. This is a game changer. Up until now, developers have been restricted to text and static images. But with Gemini Omni, you can create dynamic, lifelike videos. Picture this, an AI generating a video of a bustling cityscape, complete with traffic, people, and even weather changes, all in real time. That's not just innovation, that's a revolution. What's even more mind-boggling? Google claims Omni can produce these videos faster than anything we've seen before. 4 times faster than its predecessors, to be exact. In a world where time is money, that speed opens up an entire new economy for developers. If you're building applications in gaming, education, or marketing, this tech gives you a unique edge. Want to create an interactive tutorial? No problem. Need a marketing video that adapts to user data? Done. The line between imagination and reality is blurring fast. But here's the kicker. Google is not just releasing tools, they're shaping the future of content creation. With Omni, developers are empowered to push boundaries like never before. What's your next move? Are you ready to harness the power of Gemini Omni and redefine what's possible? Let's talk benchmarks. Gemini 3.5 Flash is a beast, 4 times faster than what came before it. Think about that. Developers are reporting jaw-dropping completion times cut down by 75%. Yes, you heard right, 75%. What does that really mean? Faster iterations, more tests, endless possibilities. Projects that used to take weeks, they're now done in days. Imagine your workflow, streamlined, efficient, the bottlenecks, gone, playtesting, instant. But let's dig deeper. This isn't just about speed, it's about creativity unleashed. With a 75% reduction in completion times, you're not just making adjustments, you're breaking barriers. That's a game changer for anyone building with AI. Picture this. You're a developer armed with Gemini 3.5 Flash. You can push boundaries, explore new ideas, and pivot on a dime. The tools are so powerful, you could have a dozen prototypes running simultaneously. Want to test a new feature? Do it. Want to run simulations? Go ahead. And here's the kicker. The competition just got a lot fiercer. With these advancements, speed and capability aren't just nice to have, they're essential. If you're not adapting, you're falling behind. So what will you do with all this newfound power? Will you create the next big thing, or get lost in the shuffle? The choice is yours, but the race has officially begun. But here's the twist. What nobody's talking about? The potential pitfalls of Gemini 3.5 Flash and Gemini Omni. With speed like this, 4 times faster than what we had, comes a massive responsibility. Sure, it's exhilarating. Developers can whip up stunning content in mere moments. But let's be real, rapid advancement often outpaces our ethical frameworks. Are we actually ready for what this means? Take AI-generated video. It's not just about splicing clips together anymore. We're talking about deepfakes, hyper-realistic simulations, and the potential for misinformation on a scale we've never seen. In a world where a single click can generate video content that looks and sounds real, how do we regulate it? Who's holding the reins? In a recent statement, AI ethics researcher Dr. Emily Hargro put it bluntly, the technology is ahead of our ability to govern it. It's a ticking time bomb. That's chilling, right? We're moving fast, but at what cost? Think about it. Every time you push the boundary of what AI can do, you risk stepping into murky waters. One misstep, and it could lead to reckless deployment. Imagine a world where anyone can create convincing videos of events that never happened. The implications for journalism, politics, and even personal relationships? Catastrophic. So as you're building with these new tools, remember this. Speed is seductive, but it can blind us to serious consequences. Are you prepared to navigate this new landscape? Keep this in mind, and stay tuned for our next breakdown. We'll unpack how to build responsibly in a dizzying, fast-paced AI world. Vocabulary: W1, W2, W3, W4. Here's the bottom line. Google's Gemini 3.5 Flash and Omni are game changers. We're talking about a model that's 4 times faster than what came before. 4 times. That's not just incremental progress, it's a seismic shift for developers. Imagine the power to code and create without the bottlenecks that have shackled innovation for years. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a launchpad into a new era. But here's the kicker. With great power comes great responsibility. The introduction of Gemini Omni's world model means the potential for content generation to skyrocket. Videos, insights, entire narratives, crafted at lightning speed. It's a creative explosion waiting to happen. But this isn't a Wild West without rules. The very capabilities that empower you can also be misused. Think about it. How many times have we seen technology leap ahead, only to be met with unintended consequences? Developers are now equipped with unprecedented tools, but that means you need to tread carefully. Ethical considerations, content authenticity, and the potential for misinformation are more pressing than ever. Stay informed, stay ahead. This is your moment to leverage this tech responsibly. Make use of these advancements, but do so with an eye on the implications. This isn't just about building faster, it's about building better. If you want to stay ahead of this rapidly evolving landscape, you know what to do. Subscribe now for the next breakdown on how to harness this tech without losing sight of what truly matters.